For many people out there, making money can be frustrating. Whether you're a trader, investor, or just trying to make a few bucks, it sometimes feels like no matter what you do, your money ends up something like this. Very confused. But not for long, because in today's video we are talking about 8 trading hacks that you can apply right away to make more money in your investments. These are investing tips that worked for me when I started out, but no matter whether you're a beginner or a self-proclaimed expert day trading master, there is something in this video for you. So watch until the end to get all the hacks. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Pandrea Finance. If you are ready, go ahead and hit that like button. I'll wait. And let's begin. Hack number 1, market cap. When looking to buy a stock, look for the market cap of the company, not the stock price. I see this all the time. What a nice cheap stock I found. But the stock price does not indicate how small or large a company is. Simply put, you have to look at the market capitalization, which reflects how much the whole business is worth. Companies with smaller market caps have more room to grow. So if you have a company with a market cap of a few billion, that could potentially grow to tens of billions, hundreds of billions of dollars. Go figure, a few billion is considered small. Apple has a market cap of $2 trillion. Will Apple double, triple, or 10x in price? It's less likely. Your job is to find the next Apple while it's still in the growth phase if you want to get those big moves. Number 2, don't FOMO into any trade or investment, please. I put this on the list because some of you might need reminding every once in a while. Am I right? Look, I used to do this all the time. A hot stock shoots up in price and you're like, free money. You think you can make some quick profit? No, you can't. You'll always end up buying the top and then the stock will drop back down. And then what? Lost money. Good job. This is the reason that so many people get dragged into the fantasy of making millions of dollars on penny stocks. Look, it just went from 3 cents to 30 cents. I think now it can go to $3. Here's all my money. Or more recently, you're seeing the same thing happen in cryptocurrency. This, my friends, is not a smart way of investing. There will always be other opportunities to make money, so be smart and don't FOMO. Hack number 3, keep losses small. If you're in a trade and that trade is going against you, take your loss and move on. Because if not, you'll end up losing even more money and more importantly, losing more time sitting with those bad trades where you can use that time and money to invest in something else. Now on the flip side, have patience when things are going your way. To make the big bucks, you never want to sell early. Now you can take profits along the way, but let the trade do its thing. See, a lot of people do the opposite. When a trade is losing money, they hope it'll recover and they just stay in it. And when the trade is going the right way, they sell out too early and leave profits on the table. Some of the best traders in history like Jesse Livermore and Paul Tudor Jones are big advocates of letting your winners ride. And if you're right, you can make a lot of money. Hack number 4, paper trade. Look, like with anything in life, the only way to get good at something is to practice. And guess what? You can practice trading. Get yourself an app that allows paper trading. You know, trading with the free fake money that they give you. My favorite new app right now is Moomoo. You can open up a free account and use their paper trading feature to lose all the money you want or become a paper millionaire. The point is, it'll give you the opportunity to explore trading and investing in a much needed safe way. Also, in the case of Moomoo, not only do they give you free money on the paper trading side, but they will give you free real money. Open and fund your account with $100 and Moomoo will give you a free stock valued up to $350. Please use the link down in the description to open up your free Moomoo account and start practicing your trading today. Number 5, beta. Now after paper trading for a bit, you might realize that you need to do a little bit more research on the stock market and what it means to buy the right stock. One great tip I learned directly from a hedge fund manager is to look for stocks with a high beta. Beta measures the expected move in a stock relative to the movements of the overall market. Typically, you will get higher returns with high beta stocks. So if you're trying to beat the market with your portfolio, it might be smart to include some high beta stocks in there. A beta greater than 1 means it'll move more than the overall market, and a beta less than 1 means that that stock moves less than the market. The higher the beta is, the higher the returns you will get, but of course you have to keep in mind the higher the risk as well. Now, of course, this isn't the only thing that you should look for, but I think it's a good start when researching which stocks can potentially make you the most money. Number 6, capital gains. A great way to make money is to start by keeping the money that you make. Am I crazy here? Now, love it or hate it, you have to understand how taxes play a role in your investing and understand the difference between short-term and long-term capital gains. If you buy a stock and hold it for less than 1 year, you'll be subject to short-term capital gains that can be as high as 38%. But if you hold that investment for over 1 year, you'll pay long-term capital gains tax, which is about 20% but could be as low as 15%. Better. Now, this is particularly important if you invest with options. See, if you buy long-term options or leaps, not only will you have time to let your investment grow, but also have the advantage of holding that position for over 1 year. So you'll make more money over a long period of time, you'll leverage your gains with options, and pay the least amount of taxes possible. That's a win-win if you ask me. Hack number 7, selling calls. Imagine this, you buy a stock and that stock rises in value. You're all happy and you want to sell. Don't sell. Instead, pro tip, start selling covered calls on your stock. See, when you sell a call, you are collecting a premium, free money basically, for agreeing to sell your stock if it reaches a certain strike price. Now, you'll need 100 shares of the company if you want to do this, but when I learned this concept, it opened up my mind to a whole new way of making money. As long as you are okay selling your stock at a certain price, then you can sell a call, collect the premium, and if the stock price reaches your strike price, you'll be forced to sell your shares, which is okay because remember, you wanted to sell in the beginning anyway. Now, you can keep selling these calls every week, every month until your shares get called away. Then you'll sell that stock, but in the meantime, you'll make money selling those calls along the way. Now, my next video is going to be about how to sell options, so subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss that. Hack number 8, follow the greats. Not people online. Look, one thing that we all have to learn sooner or later is that we don't know everything. And sometimes we have to rely on the greats before us to inspire us to reach our true potential. My advice, if you want to make money with trading, investing, options, whatever turns you on, is to look how others have done it. Figure out where you want to be and see who has paved that road before you. Now, I'm not talking about some random dude online on Wall Street bets who gambled, got lucky, and made a quick profit. And now you're thinking, hey, I could do the same thing too. I'm talking about the great traders and investors who have proven themselves over and over. Now, you can easily look up filings on what your favorite investors are invested in. The information is all out there. It is up to you to do the research, learn as much as you can, be smart with your investments, and you will be successful. Which of these hacks was your favorite? Let me know down in the comments below, and also let me know your favorite hack that wasn't on this list. This way we can expand this list of 8 hacks to a list of hundreds of hacks with your engagement and help down below. Now, if you don't know whether you're a trader or investor, you can click on this video here or click this video to learn the 7 basics of option trading. Thank you so much. Please hit that like button to help out this channel, and we will see you on the next video.